Please use the passengers later. Stay home using this later. Thank you.